Welcome, Amazon sellers and soon to be Amazon sellers. It's Tim from ALGO Online Retail. And today I want to talk about something that's creating a lot of fear, but might actually be creating one of the biggest opportunities Amazon sellers have seen in years. Because if you spend any time online right now, you'll see people saying Amazon is dying. Amazon sellers are getting squeezed. Amazon is losing control. Amazon is harder than ever. It can feel like the sky is falling. And honestly, a lot of what they're saying is actually true. Amazon is actually changing, but what most people are missing is why change might actually benefit sellers following the exact model we've been teaching at ALGO for years. So today, I want to break that down. Now, recently, there was a pretty viral video talking about how Amazon is struggling right now. The video talked about rising ad costs, customers discovering products on TikTok and YouTube instead of Amazon, AI changing shopping behavior, Amazon making reactive policy changes, and even large Amazon sellers protesting Amazon. And honestly, some of the points were very valid. But the conclusion most people are drawing from this is Amazon selling is dead. And I think that conclusion is completely wrong. Because what's actually happening is this. The lazy way of selling on Amazon is dying. The shortcut way, the throw random junk online and hope it works way. But real e-commerce, real supplier relationships, real products, real brands. That's becoming more valuable, not less. Now let me explain. One of the biggest points in the video was that product discovery is moving outside Amazon. And that's true. Younger customers especially are discovering products on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Google, AI tools like ChatGPT, not just Amazon search. Now some people hear that and panic. But for sellers following the ALGO model, this is actually good news. Why? Because we've never taught people to invent demand from scratch. We teach people how to find products that already have demand. Products people are already searching for, already talking about, already buying. Real brands, that matters more in today's world. Because if somebody sees a product on TikTok or hears about it on YouTube or asks ChatGPT for the best product in a category, where do a lot of them still go to buy it? Amazon. That's the key. Amazon may control less of the discovery process now, but they still control a huge part of the transaction process. And that creates opportunity, especially for sellers who understand supplier relationships and how to represent real brands professionally on Amazon. Now, another thing people are complaining about is rising ad costs. And again, they're not wrong. Amazon ads have absolutely gotten more competitive and more expensive over the years, but think about who that hurts the most. It hurts sellers trying to force random products into the market. It hurts sellers trying to create demand for unknown products. But if you're selling products people already want, you don't need to spend anything convincing customers to buy. Existing demand becomes more valuable when traffic gets expensive. And again, that plays directly into the ALGO model. Now, another thing the video talked about was how fewer new sellers are joining Amazon. And honestly, I think that's one of the best signs for serious sellers because complexity filters people out. When Amazon was super easy, everybody jumped in. Shortcut seekers, course hoppers, people looking for overnight success. Now, Amazon requires more professionalism, better suppliers, better invoices, better operations, better understanding. And that filters out a lot of people who were never serious to begin with. But there's another side to this that almost nobody is talking about. Suppliers are no longer getting bombarded by hundreds of random new Amazon sellers every single day like they were a few years ago. During and after COVID, suppliers were overwhelmed. Everybody wanted to start an Amazon business. So suppliers became defensive. They stopped replying. They stopped opening accounts. A lot of them just automatically said no Amazon sellers. But now there are fewer new seller leads hitting suppliers every day, which means suppliers are much more willing to actually have conversations again. And we've been seeing this firsthand. Suppliers are more open to professional Amazon sellers than they've been in years. We literally just saw this at ASD in Las Vegas. New sellers who approach suppliers correctly were opening accounts left and right because suppliers still want distribution. They still want sales. They just want real sellers, not chaos, not people selling stolen inventory, not people destroying pricing online. They want professional sellers. And that's exactly why learning the right way to sell matters now more than ever. Now, one thing I do agree with from the original video is this. You should not rely only on Amazon forever. That's smart. Great e-commerce businesses diversify over time. Shopify, Walmart, TikTok Shop, Amazon, maybe even wholesale accounts of their own eventually. But for beginners, Amazon is still the best places in the world to start. Why? Because customers already trust the platform. The traffic already exists. The infrastructure already exists. You don't need to build a website from scratch, figure out payment processing, or convince strangers your website is legitimate. Amazon handles all that, which is why, even with all these changes, I still believe right now in 2026 is one of the best times in years to start selling on Amazon, but only if you do it correctly. with real suppliers, real products, real demand, and real training. Because Amazon isn't dead, it's just growing up, and the sellers growing with it are the ones building real businesses. Now, if you want to learn how to sell on Amazon the right way, click below to register for a free live workshop I'm hosting this week. I'll walk you step by step through how people are actually building real Amazon businesses today, even in this changing environment. It's completely free, it's live, and I'd love to see you there. Bye for now.